So hi guys, good morning. Nandito na naman po ako, JC, at pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang 450NK ng CF Moto. Nandito tayo ngayon sa pinakamalaking CF Moto showroom dito sa South. Ito ang CF Moto Calamba. At bibigyan namin kayong 5 things what we like about the 450NK. At ito ba yung bike na swak para sa inyo. Mamaya pag-uusapan din natin kung plano nyo kumuha ng CF Moto, tulungan natin tayo sa proseso ng financing. Alright, so guys, tara, let's all watch this video. At ito na nga yung 450NK ng CF Moto. Makikita nyo, ibang-iba coming from the 400NK na dating nilang model. Okay, so first thing we notice, slim, compact, of course, and bago yung engine niya. It's a 450cc engine na. At lightweight na yung bike. Okay, so ang laki nung binawas nila dun sa bigat ng bike na to. At one thing na nagustuhan din namin, or I know almost all of the riders notice, is the engine sound. Mamaya mapapakinggan nyo yung engine sound nitong 450NK na to. So, aside from that, weight reduction and the engine, what we like about is the TFT panel. Okay? At makikita nyo malinis yung kanyang handlebars. Perfect na perfect. Tara, sakay natin para makita nyo. So, I am 5'6" in height. Tignan natin kung abot ko ba, flat-footed ba ako dito sa bike na to. So, 5'6". Flat foot ako on both feet, ano? So siguro pagka mga 5'4", 5'3", tiptoe. Tiptoe na tayo doon. So for me, hindi ako mukhang medyo malaki tignan dito sa bike, ano? So for me, sakto lang yung bike, okay? So medyo para doon sa mga nasa 5'3", 5'4", tiptoe lang tayo. Pero the bike is lightweight. Madali siyang i-manage kahit mag-filter ka sa traffic. So hindi kayo ganong kakabahan pagka nag-ride kayo. Pero of course, observe safety pa din. Kung hindi naman talaga kaya pumasok ng handlebar sa traffic, much better you stay on your place na lang or you stay on your lane. Now, para saan ba o saan ba magandang gamitin yung 450NK? So, in our opinion, so the 450NK is best for riders na gustong gamitin siya for a daily bike. So, work, commute. Pero if you wanna go riding in the weekends, pwedeng-pwede rin to. Actually, it can go far din naman. The bike is lightweight, easy to handle, easy to manage, At yung driving niya, very, very smooth. Lalo na yung power. Okay, there's power in this bike, there's torque. Lightweight na nga, may torque pa. So, and then the engine, okay? Maganda yung kanyang engine sound, and of course, some of these features, may traction control. So, the bike is very, very simple to look at, Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-design. Okay? So, yung ating dual tip exhaust, ayan, and then yung our tires and our handlebars, kitang-kita nyo naman. Very clean and very organized, At one thing we noticed and what we liked about this bike is the TFT panel. So, ang ganda nung TFT panel niya, well-placed, and the handlebar looks good. Ito yung controls natin. Ayan. And of course, ito yung ating other side ng bike. So that's our engine and the sprocket. So also yung sprocket, mas lumiit yung sprocket ngayon compared to the 400NK na sobrang laki. Kasi because of its weight. And one thing na in-upgrade nila is the headlights. So we got here projector headlights. Ayan. And then yung kanyang DRL. And of course, yung kanyang engine na 450. So very distinct yung sound nitong 450NK, malayo pa lang kahit hindi kayo magpalit ng exhaust, malalaman nyo kagad na isa 450NK or isa 450 bike ng CF Moto in general. Kasi halos pare-pareho sila ng sound. Okay guys, here's a quick recap of the 5 things that we like about the CF Moto 450NK. Number 5 dyan is yung comfort and handling. Riders can appreciate the comfortable riding position. So hindi ka sub-sub dito. So relax na relax ka and upright. And agile handling. So dahil nga lightweight siya, madali siyang i-maneuver to traffic and balanced combination of ergonomics. So making it suitable for both city roads and of course longer rides.
Next is the feature set. So, alam naman natin, pag sinabing CF Moto, it's very affordable, pero hindi nila tinipid ito sa features, lalo na itong 450NK. Equipped to with LED lighting, digital instrument cluster, yung TFT panel natin, disc brakes with ABS, no, for enhanced safety. At itong features na to, nagko-contribute talaga to para maging busog yung bike niya sa features, hindi talaga tinipid. Number 3 dyan, next is yung engine performance. So, coming from the 400NK, in-improve nila, ginawa nilang 450. Even the engine sound looks sounds very, very interesting. Ano? So, it delivers performance for both urban, commuting, and occasional highway rides. And of course, may sufficient power and torque ito for its class, making it suitable for both newbie and of course, our experienced riders. Number 2 natin is the modern design. So, syempre, pinag-isipan mabuti ito ni CF Moto para maging catchy and of course, appealing to everyone. Now, it has a sleek and modern design that appeals to many riders. Aggressive styling, sharp lines, sporty appearance, kaya talagang mapapalingon ka pag may NK450 ka nakita. At number 1 dyan is yung affordability. So, alam naman natin, pag sinabing CF Moto, sila may ngayon sa ngayon murang-murang big bikes na available sa market natin. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na mura sila na-sacrifice na yung quality, yung features. So hindi tinipid at isinalang-alang ni CF Moto yung quality rin ng bikes. So talagang sulit na sulit pag bumili kayo ng CF Moto bikes lalo na tong 450 NK.
Okay, so guys, kasama natin ngayon si Sir Andy ng RBO Calamba. So, Sir Andy, ano ba yung steps para makakuha sila ng financing na motor sa RBO?
Actually, Sir JC, madali lang naman. Una, mag-fill up sila ng application, and then after that, magkukompleto ng requirements, and then once makompleto ng requirements, magkakaroon ng approval dyan CI, and then after that, releasing ng unit.
Oh, okay. So, 4 na steps lang pala, Sir Andy, yung para makakuha kayo ng motor dito sa RBO, no? Tsaka, fast approval.
Fast approval, actually, kaya natin mag 1-day approval, basta kompleto requirements, kaya natin release ng isang araw lang.
Ayun. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Apply na kayo ng motor ngayon dito sa RBO, dito sa Calamba, at iuwi nyo na yung motor nyo within 1 day. Kaya naman pala. So guys, thank you so much and let's ride na. At there you have it guys. Ito yung 450NK ng CF Moto. For us, it's a very, very good bike for your commuting, work to office, o kahit papuntang market pa. At syempre, maganda rin siya gamitin pang long rides and weekend rides. Papunta tayo dyan sa Bicol, sa Marilake, no? Yung mga famous motorcycle destinations natin dyan in the South. So, kung ako sa inyo, kumuha na kayo ng 450NK at grabe, enjoy nyo yung bike at napakaganda. Sulit na to. Isa pa yun, napakasulit ng bike na to. Ito lang yung presyo niyan. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bumisita na kayo ngayon sa CF Moto Calamba, owned by Wheeltech dito sa Barangay Parian, Calamba City. We hope to see you here guys at tara! Let's ride na.